Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Fundamental concepts including fundamental operations exercise 13C part 1. Our first question, multiply. Here they have given a mononomial expression. Because it has only one terms, it is called as mononomial expression. Here we need to multiply all the three mononomial expressions. So just place a multiplication sign between these three expressions. Now we can just multiply with each other. For clear understanding, I am writing all the numerical coefficients at 1. 3 into 5 into 2 into x square. All the x terms together and y terms together. Y into y. Now you just need to remember a formula. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. It is one of the basic formula for multiplying the arithmetic expression. Okay, it means that the base means a is called as base, m and n are the exponents. So when bases are equal, see, even here it's a, even here it's a. When bases are equal, powers can be added. That means m plus n. Here see, x, bases are same. What the basis is? Same, x. Both are having x base, right? And exponent here is 1 and here is 2. When you add 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, right? In next step, you can understand it clearly. See here. 3 into 5 into 2 becomes 30. See, here I have used this formula because bases are same. You have to use this only when the bases are same. Both are having x and exponents are different. No issues. Even if the exponents are different, you can just add them. 1 plus 2. See, I have written 2 plus 1 into y into y. We all know y into y is y square. But how? How it is possible? Because by using this formula, we are doing that. When bases are equal, powers must be added. Y, what is here? M, it is nothing is here. So it means 1. Here it means 1. 1 plus 1 is the answer over here, right? In our next step, 30, x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3, y to the power of 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope you understood it very clearly. Let's move on to the next question. Here also they have given a mononomial expression because it has all the one term. Multiply all the three mononomial expression. 5 into 3 into 2 into a into b square. Right? I have just splitted it and wrote it. Nothing to worry in that. Okay? It's very simple. Now 5 into 3 into this, here again, once again we need to use the formula for a into a. So I have written a formula. While writing the exam, when you write this formula, they will give half or 1 mark. So don't miss this. 5 into 3 into 2 becomes 30 into, here I have applied this formula to a into a. That is a to the power of 1 plus 1. B square means I have written in the same way because there is no other with the same variable, that is b. With same variable, I don't have any other terms. That's why I have written it as it is. And our next step, 30 into a square into b square. I hope you understood it clearly. Our third question, 5x plus 2y and 3xy. Here they have given two expression. Here this one is one expression and this one is second expression. Now we have to multiply the two expressions. This is called as binomial expression. I have already explained about this types of expressions in a previous video. Please check the description box. This is binomial expression. Just place a today I'm going to teach it in two ways, that is row method and column method. Firstly, let me teach the row method. In this, Just place a multiplication sign between these two expressions. Now what you need to do is you need to just multiply it inside. 3xy into 5x, 3xy into 2y. Let's write this. Sorry. Okay. So let's write this. 3xy into 5x plus 3xy into 2y. Always place a plus sign between these two. Okay. Now just multiply them. Before that, again you need to use this formula. 5 3s are 15. See here, x into x. That's why I have written a formula over here. So x to the power of 1 plus 1 and y is over here. So I have written y as it is. Plus, see here there's a plus sign. So I have placed the plus sign exactly. 3 2s are 6. X is there. Just only x is there. We don't have any x variable. So place x, y into y. That is y to the power of 1 plus 1. Bases are equal. Powers must be added. Right? Now in the next step, 15x square y plus 6xy square. This is the answer. Next, let's continue with column method. How to do a multiplication in column method. You can choose whichever you want. Whichever you feel easy, you can choose that. Here, I am going to multiply these two expressions. Here, firstly, we need to multiply 3xy into 5x and again 3xy into 2y. Is it clear? Always start from the left side. If you start from the right side, it may go mistake. So always start from the left side. Here, multiply 5 3s are 15. X to the power of 1 plus 1. You can directly place as x to the power x square. Later on in our next videos, we can have a direct step into y. For your clear understanding, I am repeating the same process again and again. When bases are equal, powers must be added. 3 2s are 6. X y to the power of 1 plus 1. Now 15x square y plus 6xy square. See, we got the same answer. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. Here also they have given the two expressions. First in row method, I'm just placing a multiplication sign in between this expression. Now multiply minus 2a with 6a minus 2a into minus 5b. When you have a minus sign over here, don't get confused. Just place it inside the braces so that you won't get confused. Minus 2a into 6a, just place a plus sign. Don't put on minus and don't get this minus outside and don't get confused. Always put a plus sign and minus 2a into minus 5b. Right? Is it clear? Yeah. Our next step. This is the formula which we are going to use when we are multiplying a into a. Right? Here minus 6 is having plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Always start a multiplication with sign so that you don't make a mistake. Always start with a sign. Give a importance to this sign. So 2 6 are 12. A to the power of 1 plus 1. In previous problem I have explained why you got this a to the power of 1 plus 1 plus minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 a b. I have written it same way. Our next minus 12a square plus 10ab. I hope you understood it. Next column method. This is the question that we need to multiply. Firstly, you have to multiply 2a plus 2a into 6a minus 2a into minus 5b. So when you multiply it, you will get plus into minus minus 2 6 are 12, a to the power of 1 plus 1. Or else you can even directly write it as a square. Minus into minus is plus, 2 5s are 10, ab. Is it clear? Yeah. Minus 12a square plus 10ab is the answer. See, we got both the answers the same, even using a row method or column method. So you can choose whichever you want. Fifth question, here is a two binomial expressions we need to multiply. Firstly, using a row method, 4a plus 5b, 4a minus 5b. Even here, you have to multiply 4a. 4a should be multiplied with 4a first term, and again 4a should be multiplied with second term. This is the first multiplication you have to do. Next, take the second term, multiply with first, and second term, multiply with second. Is it clear? First, finish off with the first term. You have to multiply both the terms of the next expression. And next, after doing that, you come to the second term. And second term also should be multiplied with first term and second term of the next expression, second expression. 4a into 4a plus, always put a plus sign. Don't get confused. 4a into minus 5b. Don't forget to place a minus over here. Plus sign 5b into 4a. 5b into 4a plus sign 5b into minus 5b. I hope this step is very clear. Here, this is the formula that we are going to use when we are multiplying a into a. 4 4s are 16, a to the power of 1 plus 1. And here plus into minus minus. 4 5s are 20, ab plus into plus. So plus 5 4s are 20, ab plus into minus minus. 5 5s are 25, b to the power of 1 plus 1. So what you get is 16a square minus 20ab plus 20ab minus 25b square. Always when the variables are same, see 20ab, 20ab, it's same, and having a minus, and one is having minus and one is having positive. So you can just remove it. So what will be the answer is 16a square minus 25b square. Next, column method. Now we are going to multiply this two expressions. First, you have to multiply 4a into 4a, 4a into 5b, right? And after that, you need to multiply with 5b. Minus 5b should be multiplied with 4a, minus 5b should be multiplied with 5b. Is it clear? Okay. So 4a into 4a is 4 4s are 16 a square, that is a to the power of 1 plus 1. Again 4a should be multiplied with 5b. 5 4s are 20 ab. Here minus is there, so multiply with minus. Minus into plus is minus. 5 4s are 20 ab. Plus into minus minus. 5 5s are 25 b to the power of 1 plus 1. Next, 16a square plus 2ab minus ab minus 25b square. You can just remove this 20ab and you get the answer as 16a square minus 25b square. Sixth question, row method. Here again, first term should be multiplied with first term as well as second term. Now second term should be multiplied with first term as well as second term. It's very easy. See, 9xy into 2x, 9xy into minus 3y plus 2y square into 2x, 2y square into minus 3y. Just place a plus sign in between all those. On next step, formula you have to write it as we need to solve this. 9 2s are 18, x to the power of 1 plus 1, y. Plus into minus, minus. 9 3s are 27, x, y to the power of 1 plus 1. Plus 2 2s are 4, x, y square. I'm writing as it is. Plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6, y to the power of 2 plus 1. And our next it would be 18x square y plus bracket minus 27xy square plus 4xy square plus minus of 6y cube. 18x square y plus into minus, minus 27xy square plus 4xy square plus into minus, minus 6y cube. Here, because this both are like terms, see xy square, variables are same. So you need to put the bigger number sign. One is having plus sign, other is having minus sign. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. 27 minus 4, 23xy square. Column method. As I said you earlier, here you have to multiply the first term with both the terms, and next minus 3y should be multiplied with both the terms, right? 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, x to the power of 1 plus 1, y. Here plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4, x, y square. Here we are having a minus sign, plus into minus, minus. 2 9 3s are 27. See, x, y, y. Y into y is y to the power of 1 plus 1. Minus into plus, minus. 3 2s are 6. Y to the power of 2 plus 1. Next, 18x square y plus 4xy square minus 27xy square minus 6y cube is the answer. Now, because they both are having like terms, you can just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. 27 is having a bigger number sign, that is minus. So you have to put minus 23xy square. Seventh question. Here they have given a trinomial expression. Trinomial expression should be multiplied with mononomial expression. It has three terms, so it is called as trinomial. Row method, I am just placing a multiplication sign in between those, and it is very easy. It should be multiplied with first term, it should be multiplied with second term as well as the third term. That's it. Minus 3m square n into 6n square n plus 5mn into 6m square n plus minus 4mn square into 6m square n. Now just multiply all those together. Plus into minus, minus. 3 6 are 18. M to the power of 2 plus 2. N to the power of 1 plus 1. Plus into plus is plus. So I have not written a plus sign over here. 5 6 are 30. m to the power of 2 plus 1, n to the power of 1 plus 1, plus sign, plus into, sorry, minus into plus minus, 4 6 are 24, m to the power of 2 plus 1, n to the power of 2 plus 1. Now next step, minus 18 m to the power of 4, n to the power of square, plus 30 m to the power of 3, n to the power of 2, plus minus 24 m cube plus n cube. I have just added all the exponents. Now just remove the braces. Minus 18 m to the power of 4 n square plus 30 m to the power of 3 n square, plus into minuses, minus 24 m cube n cube. Now it's in column method. Even here you have to multiply with this one with this, first term, second term and third term. See, I have separated them with the braces. Plus into minus minus, 6 3s are 18, m to the power of square plus square, n to the power of 1 plus 1. I have kept the multiplication of this first term in a bracket, plus, and now first term with second term should be placed in a bracket. 6 5s are 30, m cube plus n to the power of 1 plus 1. Plus into minus minus, 6 4s are 24, m square plus 1, n plus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Right? Even here you can place a plus and place this minus inside if you don't want to get confused. Minus 18, and now I am just adding all the exponents. So I am removing the braces over here. Minus 18 m to the power of 4 n square plus 30 m to the power of 3 n square, plus into minus minus 24 m to the power of cube n cube. This is the answer. Eighth question. Here again they have given a trinomial expression with mononomial. Just place a multiplication. I will just show it by putting a line. This mononomial with first term, mononomial expression with second term, mononomial expression with third term. This is what I have placed it in a braces. I hope it's very clear. Next step, I have just multiplied all together. All the variables together, x into x square becomes x square plus 1. When bases are equal, powers must be added. So I have just simplified the variables terms inside the braces. Here I am just adding up the power. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. I have done nothing, just addition of all the exponents. And the last and final step is removal of braces. So minus 18x cubed y to the power of 5 plus 21x to the power of 4 y to the power of 5 plus into minus minus 30 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 3 is the answer. Column method. Even here it's the same thing. You have to multiply this mononomial with first term, mononomial with second term, mononomial with third term. Now I'll just place them in a braces so that you won't get confused. And now just add the exponents all together and remove the braces. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you have any doubts, you can just note it in a comment section. Check the description box for the fundamental concepts. Thank you.